Hello and welcome to another Academic Success Center video tutorial here at the University of Dubuque. Today we will cover submitting an assignment on Moodle. Most classes at the University of Dubuque will expect students to submit all work through Moodle. The first few times may seem complicated, however, it gets easier once you get used to it. So let's dive right in. The first step is saving your document. If you stay up all night writing a long paper, you need to make sure that when you save it, you can find it. So click File and do Save As. If you click Save, it may save to the cloud, as that is the default for the New Word program. However, that will make submitting the assignment more difficult. So we'll click Save As, and we will click This PC. When you click This PC, you'll see the list of folders that your computer has available. A lot of people like to save it on the desktop, but that can get crowded quickly. So we will save ours in the documents. We need to make sure that when we name things, we use our name. So I'll put, then you should make sure that you also mention the class that you're in. COM 10103 in this example. This lets your instructor know whose assignment and what class that instructor is teaching. Finally, we should add one more piece of information, and that's what assignment we're working on. In this case, it's going to be our persuasive speech materials. You don't need to type the whole thing, just enough information that your instructor can quickly identify your assignment. So I'll put persuasive. When saving a file, we don't want to use spaces. Instead, use capital letters at the start of each new word to make sure that people can tell where new words start. At this point, we know that we're saving our file, we know what it's called, and we know where we're saving it. So we'll go ahead and click Save. Now for the next step, we need to go to our Moodle class. So we want to go to Moodle.dbq.edu. We need to sign in, and it'll be your first initial and your last name. Your password. We'll go up to My Courses, and we're doing COM 10103. Now we need to scroll down and find our assignment. For this class, the sections are broken up by week. The assignment we're looking for is due on June 10th. So we'll click in there. Here we go, the persuasive speech outline. And now you'll see a page like this. So you haven't made an attempt yet, and it hasn't been graded. So we're going to go ahead and click Add a Submission. From here, you have two options. You can locate the file manually going through your file browser, Documents, and here we go. You can click your assignment and hold and drag into this box, and it will upload. At this point, you would click Save Changes, but I want to show you another way. So I'll hit Cancel. I'll go back, Add Submission, and now I will see that up here we have two different options. I could add a whole new folder, or we just want one document, so I'll click Add. Upload a file, we'll click Choose File, and this will open your Explorer for you. Now we remember that we submitted it in Documents, and here we go. Click it once, click Open, and click Upload. No matter which method you use to get your assignment into this box, the next step is the same. Save Changes. If after you click Save Changes, it does not redirect you to a page that says Submitted for Grading, highlighted in green, you should assume that your assignment has not been submitted. You must get this confirmation page to know that you have correctly submitted your assignment. If you have further questions about submitting an assignment on Moodle, you can always visit us on the second floor of the Charles C. Meyer Library at the Academic Success Center. If you can't make it in person, feel free to contact us through email at asc@dbq.edu or calling 563-589-3262. Thank you for tuning in to another Academic Success Center tutorial video at the University of Dubuque. We hope you have a wonderful day.